This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
This robot is blind. Well, it was blind. Watch this. What just happened? We basically gave a factory robot a brain transplant, and the results are absolutely wild. Picture this. You're at a conveyor belt. Parts flying past. Different shapes. Different speeds. You reach out and grab them, no problem. Your brain does this without thinking. Now ask a robot to do the same thing. It can't. For decades, this simple task has been impossible to automate. Robots are incredible at doing the same thing over and over in the exact same spot. But throw in variables, movement, they panic, they freeze, they fail, and that's cost manufacturers billions. So here's what 3 companies did that nobody else could pull off. They took collaborative robots, cobots from Universal Robots, and basically performed surgery on them. But instead of fixing hardware, they upgraded the software. A company called Inbolt developed AI that gives robots human-like vision, not just a camera, actual understanding. These robots can now see parts in 3D, track them as they move, predict where they're going, and grab them mid-flight. It's like giving a robot reflexes. But here's the kicker. They partnered with NVIDIA to cram this AI brain into a chip the size of a credit card, the Jetson platform. And when they plugged it in, everything changed. The old system, 100 milliseconds to process what it was seeing. On a factory floor moving at speed, that's forever. That's like catching a baseball while wearing a blindfold that updates once a second. The new system? A few milliseconds. That's a 95% speed boost. In tech terms, that's insane. But wait, there's more. 99.99% reliability. Out of 10,000 attempts, this robot fails once, one time. Car manufacturers like Stellantis are already using this. Real factories, real production lines, right now. Here's why this matters. We just crossed a threshold. Robots aren't just tools anymore. They're co-workers with vision, reflexes, and decision-making that rival humans in specific tasks. What happens when every robot on a factory floor can see, can learn, can adapt in real time? The future isn't robots replacing humans. It's robots that can finally keep up with us. Mind blown? Mine too. Hit subscribe because this AI robotics revolution is moving fast. Drop a comment. What job do you think robots will master next? See you in the future.